नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी प्राध्यापक आदित्यराव जाधव. इयत्ता 12वीच्या इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ कॉमर्स हा अभ्यासक्रम घेऊन आलो आहे. तर मागच्या पाठात आपण प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट हे पाहिलं. तर आता आपण सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट प्रिन्सिपल तर आपण मॅनेजमेंट प्रिन्सिपल्स आर ॲप्लिकेबल एव्हरीवेअर. They are in the form of predetermined solutions for the problems which are recurring. They are guiding the manager, so it is important for every manager to know them. These principles are tested and practiced worldwide from many years. The first significance of management principle is provides useful insight to managers. The principle of management help the manager to understand the organization. The study of the principle help to improve the understanding of the situation and problems. It further helps the management to find out the solution to the problems and handle solutions to the problems and their situations. Management principles are an outcome of the experience of various professional people. The use of these principles is helping managers about the manner in which he should act in different situations. Second significance is helpful in efficient utilization of resources. In every organization, two types of resources are used. That is, one physical resources, that is material, machine, money, etc. And second resources is human resources, it is manpower. The basic functions of management is to make proper balance between these resources by putting them to optimum use and control on wastage of resources. While maintaining discipline and healthy working environment, management always use techniques and principles. It helps in establishing cordial relationship between management and employees. Third significance is scientific decision. In business organization, a scientific decision means systematic or balanced decision. Principle train the managers to handle critical situations tactfully. Otherwise, manager have to work always with trial and error methods. With the use of various management principles, OHA can get an idea about how to analyze the situation, to search alternative options and their results. Fourth significance is understanding social responsibility. Management principles are based on every aspect of organization. They are not developed only from viewpoint of handling the resources effectively, but they guide management in understanding social responsibility of organization so that they can focus on providing quality product at reasonable prices, avoiding artificial monopolistic situation in market, fair competition, healthy working place, standard tools and machinery, etc. Fifth significance of principle of management is encourage research and development. The nature of principle of management goes on changing along with the changes in the business world. Over the year, they have developed to suit the current need. Management adopts new trends at working place automatically. These guidelines help management to make comparison of use principles with its expected outcome. If needed, management can modify the principles according to situation as the management is having liberty to take the decision at their own. This training helps in developing significant approach towards research and development and growth and development of organizations. Sixth significance is help to coordinate and control. Management principles are the guidelines for better coordination and controls. It is very challenging to create coordination and cooperation among different employees working in different departments. It is also difficult task for manager to keep control on the performance of employees. Management principles offer suitable systems while establishing coordination and control. And seventh significance of principle of management is develops objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objective approach. Managers can identify the business opportunities, root causes of the problems in current manner and can provide appreciation solution on it. It builds confidence in the minds of the managers. Thank you.